Andrew Tate is all over the news, but here's what I have to say. Andrew Tate should be looking into Wolf Financial's pre-sale. Have a look at these numbers. My calculations might be wrong, but if they're correct, that might be the financial future we've all been looking for. So what is Wolf Financials? Wolf Financials is a financial ecosystem to grow, manage and preserve wealth. A unique crypto project with the most innovative decentralized financial ecosystem that's going to revolutionize the blockchain space. The ULFX ICO will serve as the first step to your new financial future. Innovative DeFi platforms. Wolf Financial is seeking to become a bridge from the old financial system to the new crypto economy. With multiple innovative yield-generating blockchain platforms already built and more currently under construction, the ecosystem that's going to revolutionize the blockchain landscape is ready. Africa's biggest centralized exchange, ULFX, is the powerhouse centralized exchange in the Wolf Financial ecosystem, offering users access to the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world with an easy-to-use interface, secure framework, and lightning-fast transactional throughput. The most trading pairs on registered African exchanges with 500 plus cryptocurrencies, the largest liquidity pool in the world. Ready and geared for regulations. The South African Reserve Bank plans to declare crypto a financial product, has taken many by surprise. Not us. Wolf Financials will be a registered entity and is ready to meet all requirements that any future regulatory policy that will be introduced. Learn and earn with ULFX. We believe in empowering people to take control of their financial freedom. ULFX is built with the purpose in mind. Users that are new to crypto trading will have the opportunity to learn from our expert team members through practical demonstrations and innovative videos. The future of payment solutions. WolfPay Card is designed to work alongside your wallet. Seamless conversions from crypto to global fiat currencies. A unique quad tokenomics model. Now we don't see this around everywhere. A quad tokenomics, meaning you're getting 4 different tokens. Our tokenomics model encompasses 4 components: 3 income generating tokens along with decentralized autonomous organization DAO token, the ULFG. Now the ULFG is the token I'm interested in, and that's why I'm getting into this pre-sale. The ULFX Genesis and Launchpad token, ULFS Decentralized Exchange token, the ULFC Centralized Exchange token, and our government's token, the ULFG. All ULFX investors will receive 1 ULFG token for every 10 ULFX tokens purchases. Government's tokens will have voting rights over every crypto project within the Wolf Financial ecosystem. 70% of profits from the crypto projects will be received by the DAO, resulting in unparalleled returns, which allows investors to potentially secure their financial future and build generation wealth. Now looking at the ULFG, Decentralized Autonomous Organization Official Token. This is the community government's token that affords voting rights to the community, as well as access to the commensurate share to 70% of all profits generated from crypto projects within the Wolf Financial ecosystem. The 70% of profits are paid to the community treasury via a token within the Wolf Financial ecosystem. The community will have voting rights as to the distribution of these tokens. This acts as a virtual buyback mechanism, which believe will ultimately act as a feedback loop, ensuring the bulk of tokens remain in the ecosystem, which should result in positive price action for the underlying token. Now, I've calculated the ULFG possibilities. This is my own calculations, so it might be wrong, but this should give us an indication of the possibilities. I've used two exchanges to do my calculations on. The first one is the biggest exchange out there, Binance, which is ranked number 1 in 24-hour trading volume. Binance is doing $22 billion in trading volume every 24 hours on average, with a fee of 0.8% per transaction. That makes it an income of $176 million in just trading fees every 24 hours. The second exchange I've used is FTX US. It's in the 60th position of 24-hour trading volume. FTX US is doing $290 million in volume every 24 hours. I've used the same fee as Binance, which is 0.8% per transaction. Now, using that percentage means FTX has an income of $2.32 million every 24 hours just off their trading volume. Now, if we take the trading fees that have come in from Binance and FTX, and we take 70% of the trading fees, because 70% of the trading fees is going to be paid out to the ULFG token holders. Binance income is $123 million. FTX income is $1.624 million. That means if we take the 70% fees divided with the max amount of ULFG tokens, which is 6.1 million tokens, and we divide the Binance amount into it and the FTX amount into it, there's a possibility to get $20.19 for every one ULFG token you have from this 24-hour trading volume from Binance. If we go into the smaller account FTX, there's a possibility to get 26 cents for each token you have. What more do you want? Is there any other company that's giving you basically a profit share? That means the possibility of an income if you spend $250 in this pre-sale with the ULFG that's rated 10-1 means you'll get 500 ULFGs in the pre-sale. If you take Binance trading volume and you calculate it with the math we've just done, there's a possibility of a $10,000 income per day. If you take the FTX US volume, that's a possibility of $150 per day. This company, Wolf Financials, is unique. They have a quad tokenomics, which is another uniqueness we don't see out there. This is a massive possibility, and if my calculations is right, this is financial future. Make sure to look at Wolf Financials. This might be the opportunity we've all been looking for. These numbers and calculations could differ at any time, and this is mere my own calculations. Go have a look at it. Do your own calculations. Let me know down in the comments your thoughts and concerns. The link for the pre-sale buybacks will be down in the description as well. Just buy a mere $50 and be in for an opportunity. Their exchanges, everything is already built and in working condition. If you do like this opportunity, smash that like button and remember to subscribe so we can keep on gaining the extreme crypto gains. Have a good one.